How to crop image into the shape in Google Slides. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about. So guys, let's start with the video, and at the end if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. So first let me insert the image, then I will show you how you can crop in shapes. So okay, go to the, just go to need to go in insert, upload the computer. Okay, so here we have image. I just select it. Okay, you can normal crop image if you want. If you want to crop something from your image, then you can crop from like this. Okay, just hit the crop option and just drag that black line, corner line, and then click outside, it will be cropped. Now let me show you how you can crop in shapes. Here under the crop you can see this tiny down arrow, just click on it, and here you can see the lots of options, shapes that you can select, and the image will be cropped automatically in these shapes. Okay, like you can crop like on circle, that rectangle, and many more shape are there, you can see. And you can also give the shapes outline. You can change the width so it is looks perfectly. You can also change the outline color. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.